Guys, welcome back to my channel Cooking with Nitisha. Today is no cooking recipe video, but today I'm doing a product review. There is a company called Comfee who sent me their juicer to test it out, so that's what I'm going to do today. I know I already said there is no cooking recipe into this video, but I'm going to share one green juice recipe that's going to be really delicious, and it's going to help to glow your skin if you have this every day. And not only glowing your skin, but it's going to help to improve your all over body health. So stay tuned to watch that green juice recipe. And if you need any info regarding this juicer, I will leave the link in description box so you can go and check it out. This is nice size and the mint color, I love it. And it is slow juicer. Definitely you want slow juicer to retain all the nutrients of the fruits or vegetable you use it. Before I assemble, I would like to give them quick rinse. Okay, so let's assemble this. I washed all the parts that's going to be come with the contact with the fruit or vegetables. So it seems like I might not need an instruction guide to assemble this. Let's see. And this is the thing that it's going to collect the juice. Let's assemble first and then I'll guess, does it go? Oh, so it just sits there, I think. Then this is the strainer. Just go right there. Oh, it clicked. So that's good. I hope you guys can see it. Then this goes right into the center. So everything clicks and fit perfectly in the place. Now this last part. There you go. Now there is one more tool here. This is for an ice cream. And this juicer also make an ice cream. But this is not like a regular ice cream with the milk. This is just the frozen fruit ice cream. The container which will collect all our juice. So as you can see, this juicer has assembled completely. So you add your fruits from here, goes here, it start taking fruits from here, vegetables. This area is where your pulp's gonna come out. And then there is a knob here. It says hard fruits and soft fruits. So you want to make sure that is on a hard fruit if you're using like a carrot or apple, pear, celery, something like that. And the soft is like orange and strawberries, pineapples. Those are like a soft fruits. And this side is where the juice comes from. So there's a container to collect the juice. You just release and it comes out. Strainer, as you can see it. So let's turn it on and see how that works. So there is the button here. Stop, reverse if something gets stuck. For juice, ice cream, and self-clean. That's great. There is a self-clean option. This is the fruits and vegetables I will be using to make the juices. So here I have oranges. I'm gonna do orange juice, apple juice, and then green juice at the end. So oranges, apples, cucumber, carrots, a little bit of ginger root, just a little bit, tomato, lemon. Okay, let's turn on this. You can add whole apple in. So here I'm adding an apple, and then you just dump this and here. Look at that. So this is where the pulp coming and the juice will come from here. So let's add one more apple. Now usually I do prepare, cut out the apple and take out the seed. You guys should do that too. This is just like a 3 or 4 apple, that's why I'm not doing it. I just used these three tiny apples, and look at the juice. This is all pulp. You can see. Now guys, I want to share something really important here. Since I was just doing 3 apples, this machine can take whole apple, but I would not recommend because there is the seeds inside. If you're doing a lot of apple juice, the seeds, if you chew or grind and take it, more than like I think it says between from 150 to 200. If you take that many seeds in your body, it's really harmful and it can kill you. So guys, another advice, I usually like to cut this apple. Even though I'm doing it few apple juice, I would like to cut it, take out the core seeds and then juice it. This is just my opinion, I would like to share with you. I'm gonna take out into my container here freshly squeezed apple juice. Wow. Now I quickly give it a rinse and we are going to do orange. Already peeled the oranges to add oranges. So I left this open so it can come right out. And here you can see a hole. Let's keep on adding. This is our orange juice. Okay, now for our last juice, here I have fresh spinach, this chopped cucumber, this piece of ginger root, organic carrots, a little bit of lemon and tomato. So now let's make our healthy juice. I'm gonna keep this on soft fruit and going to add spinach in. So whatever the first soft fruit is, I'm going to add in. Tomato, that's in. Okay, lemon slice, that's in. And I'll turn it on and add more to it later once there is more space here. Okay, now before I add this hard vegetables, I'm gonna change this here to go hard. Now add this. This is our green healthy juice. This much pulp came out, including all 3 juices. There's some spinach got stuck in here, so that's I need to clean. They have provided you a brush with it to clean the filter, so you don't want to use your own product to clean it and damage it, so better to use their brush to clean it. I hope you guys have enjoyed watching this video. Subscribe to my channel, like this video, and share with your family and friends. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.